Like wolves and dogs, African wild dogs do belong to the canidae family. However, grey wolves, coyotes, dogs and jackals are all in the Canis genus, whereas African wild dogs are the only extant, living, species in the Lycaean genus. Previous studies have grouped wild dogs with tolls and bush dogs. The African wild dog, also known as the painted dog or Cape hunting dog, is a species of canid native to sub-Saharan Africa. They are highly social animals and live in packs, which can range in size from just a few individuals to up to 40 individuals. African wild dogs have a unique and striking coat pattern of black, brown, and white patches that are different for each individual, making it easy to identify them. They are skilled hunters and primarily prey on medium-sized antelopes such as impalas, but will also hunt larger prey such as wildebeest. Unfortunately, African wild dogs are currently listed as an endangered species, with only an estimated 6,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and disease are all major threats to their survival. Conservation efforts, such as anti-poaching patrols and reintroduction programs, are crucial in protecting the species and ensuring their survival. Some information about African wild dogs. Appearance: African wild dogs have long, slender legs and a lean, muscular body. They have large, rounded ears and a bushy tail. Their coat is short and bristly, with patches of black, brown, and white fur. Each individual has a unique pattern of patches, making it easy to identify them. Behavior: African wild dogs are highly social animals and live in packs, which can range in size from just a few individuals to up to 40 individuals. They have a complex social hierarchy and communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. They are also skilled hunters and will work together to take down prey. They are able to run at speeds of up to 44 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest canids. Habitat: African wild dogs are found throughout sub-Saharan Africa, in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. They require large home ranges and are sensitive to habitat fragmentation and loss. Conservation: African wild dogs are currently listed as an endangered species, with only an estimated 6,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and disease are all major threats to their survival. Conservation efforts, such as anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration, and reintroduction programs, are crucial in protecting the species and ensuring their survival. The African Wild Dog Conservation Project, which works to monitor and protect wild dog populations in southern Africa, is one such initiative. Diet: African wild dogs are primarily carnivorous and feed on a variety of prey including impalas, gazelles, pukas, and other small to medium-sized antelopes. They are also known to hunt larger prey such as wildebeest and zebras, although they typically do so in groups. Reproduction: African wild dogs are monogamous and typically mate for life. Females give birth to litters of up to 16 pups, although litters of 6 to 10 are more common. The entire pack takes part in raising the pups, with adults regurgitating food for them and teaching them hunting skills. Threats: African wild dogs face a number of threats in the wild, including habitat loss and fragmentation, hunting and poaching, and diseases such as rabies and distemper. They are also vulnerable to conflict with humans, particularly in areas where they come into contact with livestock. Conservation efforts for African wild dogs include habitat protection and restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and education and outreach programs to raise awareness about the importance of protecting this species. Reintroduction programs have also been successful in some areas, such as South Africa's Madikwe Game Reserve, where wild dog populations have rebounded following reintroduction efforts.